Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing cryptocurrencies, what they are, some popular ones, how you can invest in them, and where to store them safely. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography for security. They are decentralized, meaning they are not issued by a central authority like traditional currencies. Instead, they are created, transferred, and stored using blockchain technology. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies available, but some of the most popular ones include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Bitcoin is the first and largest cryptocurrency, while Ethereum is known for its smart contract capabilities. Ripple and Litecoin are also popular alternatives to Bitcoin. To invest in cryptocurrencies, you need to open an account with a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges available, including Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Once you have opened an account, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies using fiat currency or other cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, which can be either hot or cold. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are more vulnerable to hacking, while cold wallets are offline and offer more security. Some popular wallet options include Ledger, Trezor, and Exodus. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, but it can also offer high potential returns. For example, in 2020, Bitcoin's price increased from around $7,000 to over $29,000. However, it's important to do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this beginner's guide to cryptocurrencies helpful. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.